The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Oh, Jesus. Hope I not mash up anything. Hello? Me not really there for go live. Me just there because I want to record something. As we speak, me I try to set up myself for going on one session. Listen to me. Jamaican employers, dear Jamaican employers, stop the cap, stop the crap. I don't know why it is that Jamaican employers insist on treating people like we have begged them for the work, right? Them are gonna send you a very specific date and time and tell you, say, you must come in for the interview at that time. Them not ask if anything else are going with your life. Them not ask if you did have anything planned at that time. Them not ask if your mom or your auntie or your dog dead and that is a funeral. Them not know nothing. And if you cannot make it in for that specific space and time, then them tell you say you're not serious about the job. Why? Why? Like, me tired of the way that in Jamaica we act as though a person who is in need of something somehow has no rights because they need that something. The people them who rent house, them feel at liberty to charge you anything when them want to charge you for the house. In particular, when the house is them family house and them have a lot of memories associated there. When it is that you are applying to live in a them little piece of house, them want to know how much dog, how much cat, how much people, how much time you plan for doing in the toilet because them know why you overflush it and broke the angle. Them want to know how much furniture you're going to carry in there, which of the furniture them is a settee, what is the thread count and the sheet them you're going to put on the bed, because them raised for them picking them at a great time in the house and now you are moving into their home. I'm moving into a house. I am renting a house. I'm not renting your memories. I'm not renting the space where your child took his first on the ground. I'm not renting the place where you lost your virginity around the back. I'm not renting the mango tree where your grandfather took his last breath. I'm not renting none of that. I'm renting a house. I'm renting a structure that I plan to treat with the necessary level of respect, but there is no way that I will ever be able to keep and care it at the level that will make you feel happy, because ultimately the only person who can keep and care something like that is you. So if you move out of the house, you have to go separate some of the memory them. Me tired of the way that in a Jamaica, if you need a house, if you need a job, the people them act as though you are not giving them something. When I come and me apply for a job, me I give you my services. You are give me your money, me I give you my services. So me don't know why the people them who out there look for employ people act as though them are gonna come in, you just gonna sit down, cock your 10, fart up in the chair, put your dirty foot on the table, drink all of them free tea with them substandard creamer, and nothing is going. Them are going to give you money just to sit down and do that. Me, I give you my labor. My labor. It's an exchange. So it's not a situation where you're coming with a big upper hand because you're here to offer me free money. It's not charity. It's a job. Same thing with people where you're in from. Me, I going to give you my money. Me have to go out the road, go do the work I have to do. Forget the money for come rent the house from you. So when it is that I rent your house, I'm gonna put down the money either in your bank account, or if you're one of those people, you're gonna come up and collect the money first of the month, 25th of the month, whenever. Me I gonna get somewhere to live, you are gonna get money in your pocket. Me tired, right? One of my brethren them, people them reach out to him for a job, right? Say yes, come in for the interview. Brethren couldn't make the interview at the appointed place and time with them set up. Why? Well, yeah, it's a Zoom interview. And yeah, my brethren have 2 youth. And yeah, the youth them I use the device them. 2 of them have tests. So what you want this man do? You want this man to kick off him 2 pick them off of the device? When them I use the test for complete. Oh, I'm should have find thing for what? Fuck you. How about when you are sending out these messages to people to tell them that you are you are interested in interviewing them for a position that you think they're fit for, that you give people a range. Can you do it on Monday, Tuesday? We have a slot on Thursday, a slot on Friday. Why it is that when people come in to try to employ you, they act as though it's an emergency. And here's the people who are employing, it's an emergency. You need to respond now. We need to interview you now. We need to hear from you now. And then them 4 months before them actually put you in a position. Why? Why do we create crises when there are none? Why is it that people that have things that them going to pay you for them feel like it give them all of the rights? Me tired of the little dirty backroom ass mentality where the older we have, and all of us need to get over it. Me, tired of it. If me come for rent your house, please understand. Me know say Jamaican house have some type of rental crisis, and so you feel like you have the upper hand, but me no plan for beg and beseech before you. You're not God. Right? Me no plan for come beg and beseech before you just so me can get access to your house and my good money. Me, I go take give you. In fact, me not even know if your house that nice. The window them not place on me want them place. Me notice that the carpet them dirty and me prefer hardwood floor. When me look pan like the kitchen and so it's small, me not see no granite. Right now a subway tile wanting at the background and me don't see none. For Micah you have and I mean you try to talk to I, don't do it. Right? When me come for rent your house, me I look up and down in the place because me I look for gonna suit me. Me say, what is that? Oh gosh, I can see the stains on the wall. Somebody used to have Jerry curl. Come here, see people head outline on the wall. What is it? Why the place have this smell? I'm not sure the sewage is working. Me feel like the septic tank need for fix or something. I'm not sure the sewage is working. Me don't care. Me tired. People in Jamaica like them have the upper hand, and like when you have look job or something from them, I beg from them. Me not begging.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall. I'm here again. The female you see in the video made some strong points. The lady you see in the video that I just presented to you made some points that I think are on point. You see me? Now, you see when it comes down to renting a house within the country of Jamaica, and it's not all landlord stay like this, or should I say, it's not all persons that you're going to rent a house from stay like this, you see me? But you have some persons who rent houses out there to persons who want to rent house. Ask some questions. Some of the times in my point of view, I think some of those questions are just unnecessary. See me? And it's not only in the country of Jamaica. You have some homeowners or persons who rent houses out there who ask some unnecessary questions to persons who want to rent the house from them. You know? It's not only in the country of Jamaica. These kind of things happen. You know? See me? You have places in the world out there when you're renting a house from someone, them ask you some questions where when you stand up and you hear the question reach you, it's like you have to look up in the ear, so. And you say to yourself in your own head, you say, but am I going to be happy living here with this person as my landlord? No, for real, you know. Look, for persons who have their own house and all these things out there, you know, they might not understand. You see me, I said to you. You see, when it comes down to renting a house for real, you have some persons out there who rent houses out there to persons who want a house to rent. Them ask some ridiculous questions and a real thing, you see me? So this lady makes some strong points, you see me? I understand that she sounds somewhat angry, you see me, I said to you, which in freedom of speech, you know? The disrespecting part, well, me no business with the disrespecting part. Yes, I said to you about, she makes some strong points. Yes, I say. And then again, you know, you have some persons out there who really and truly destroy some of the houses that they rent, you know. That's another thing too, you know. Yeah, some of them make it bad for persons out there who really and truly take care of the house or houses that they rent, you know. Yes, I said to you. So 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. So I say, yeah. I ever hear a thing where them say the good suffer for the bad. You see me? Some of the times are them things there. And when it comes down to job interviews that this person mentioned in this video, you see me? When it comes down to job interviews within the country of Jamaica, some employers, them not nice. Not all of them, you know. Some. So I say, I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media that shows a female talking about job interviews within the country of Jamaica, employers within the country of Jamaica, and also about renting a house or houses within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, I bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said, and you can also let me know what you think. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another topic. Let me know what you think about some of the things that the person said in this video. You see me? Let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that she had said. You see me? I say? Alright. Now, I saw a video out there on social media that shows a female who is said to be the mother of a teenage girl who goes by the name of Kaylan. You see me? Now, Kaylan is a girl who had been attacked by persons and she had been hospitalized. You see me? I say? Now, according to some things that the female said in the video that I saw, I get the understanding that she's saying that she had received threats from one or more than one persons. I wonder if I said that right. According to some of the things that I heard, the female, who is said to be Kaylan's mother, said in a video that I saw on social media. I get the understanding that she said that she had received threats from one or more than one persons. And in that video, she went on to explain other things as well. You see me? She gives somewhat of an update about Kaylan's medical conditions and so on. You see me? Now, when I hear where the female said that she had received threats, I said to myself, this lady is going through a situation where her child had been hospitalized and she's doing her best to make sure that her child recover from her injuries. And at the same time, something like this is happening or had happened to her, where she said that she had received threats. You see what I said to you? Viewers and subscribers, some of the times we see some things happen out there within the world. You see me? It makes me shake my head and say, yo, it's unfair. You see it? It's unfair. I only hope that the female really and truly don't want to take these threats lightly. You see what I said to you? And above all, I only hope that Kaylan recover from her injuries and everything be okay and alright. You see me? I say? Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. This is just to let you know what's going on, and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just talked to you about in this video, and keep Kaylan in your prayers. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.